Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix when keep restarting on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and restart device. After restart device you will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on System and Update. You will see first option is Software Update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on Settings app. Scroll down and click on System and Update and click on Backup and Reset. Reset phone and reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix when keep restarting on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.